Okay, without doubt our most popular selling car, judged by when we get them in, how quickly we sell them, and the fact that we haven't got any others for sale. Just arrived, Land Rover Range Rover Sport. Now this is a D300 Dynamic SE. Don't know about you, but I love this colour, Firenze Red, when you get the full factory black pack. That's badging, grille, roof, wheels. This car looks fantastic. On a 73, it's done 8,000 miles. That's going to be the deciding factor on this particular car because it's lovely condition throughout. 22 SV Bespoke wheels, sliding roof, mud flaps, black roof, black mirrors, and a black interior. Not only are these cars fantastic to drive and even good on fuel, 300 horsepower, they come as a really top specification car with heated wheel, adaptive cruise, heated front and rear seats, air suspension, 360 camera, wireless smartphone charging, wireless smartphone integration, electric seats, memory seats, Meridian sound. Sliding roof is a big option on these. This one's got it. It's also a fantastic price. We sell so many of these very, very quickly because for us, as a four-wheel drive goes in the market for its price point, I don't think there is a better vehicle to buy for this value if you're looking for something of this sort. This one in Firenze Red, I love the colour. I mean, it's metallic, but against the black styling, that means the roof, like I've said, and the wheels, it just looks that little bit different, doesn't it? You don't see many in this colour driving around. If you come around the back, the black pack also gives you the boot finisher and the badging in gloss black, bottom section in gloss black. And of course, we've got lots of practical space in a Range Rover Sport, that being big boot. You've got electric folding seats here, you've got air suspension, parcel shelf in place, through load or split folding seats. Lovely example this, it really is crisp. And then on the inside, we go into the rear first. All your creature comforts are there. Now, you know, doing these videos, it's hard to sort of give you a description of its condition, but it's very, very nice inside. Heated rear seats, rear climate control, beautiful condition, glass roof which opens. And then if you actually look into the door, you'll see just some little design features that are hard to pick out sometimes. Meridian speaker system. The speaker sort of goes around the door here. It looks really nice, doesn't it? You've got this darkened chrome work through the door, leather door, part electric rear seats, keyless entry. This little button here opens and closes the car. You've obviously got the flush door handles, blind spot assist into the wing mirror. And then into the door we look again, Meridian sound. You've got electric seats with driver and passenger memory. Beautiful condition, soft leather, and the black interior. Now I prefer the black over the cloud. It doesn't mean that it always necessarily sells the best, but for me, I think the black just I don't know what it is about it. I just like the black more. Electric steering column, which I'm using now to move my steering wheel, which is heated, adaptive cruise, switchable driver, digital interface. Obviously we've got air suspension, which you don't really need to worry about. The car raises and lowers itself as you get in and out or drive it. Wireless smartphone charging, which is just under here. Wireless smartphone integration, heated front seats, digital climate control, 2 keys for the car, that's important. And then this Pivi Pro interface, which is really easy to use. I'll show you the reverse camera first actually. So reverse camera, top view camera. We've also got the 360 3D surround, which is lovely. And then, you know, the car's got so many features, put it back in the park, that you can go through the menus, navigation, Bluetooth, all four-wheel drive and terrain settings. Black roof lining with the sliding roof, a big feature, along with the wheels, which I'm going to show you now on this. So SV Bespoke wheels. Now, what they are is they're a two-tone wheel, so they're polished and satin, which look great. We've also got the black wing insert and bonnet insert, and then, of course, the front end of the car. It looks fantastic. Grille, badging, midsection, bottom section, little finisher across the front and into the light surrounds here. The car really is lovely. It's going to sell straight away in Firenze Red with a black pack on a 73, 8,000 miles. Get it bought. Thanks for watching.